Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and I would like to welcome you in part two of my scalping strategy. And I'm so glad because the first video of the scalping strategy was a major success, and a lot of members have sent me messages. They are very happy and very grateful for the strategy, and they would like to know more about it. Um, this video will be continuation for it, but I will just talk about how to pick your entries and how to decide your entries. But I will not make any live trades because um, scalping today is not really going very well because there are so much high volatility in the market, and you can only enter long-term trades. That is working well, but apart from that, I don't recommend you to do any scalping for today. But I will just talk about how to decide where you should enter and where you should stop loss, or where you should set your stop loss. And I will explain to you also where exactly to take your profit and where to set or where to decide when to exit your trade. Next video will be live trades using scalping strategy. Then the next video after that, I will be talking about the amazing Ichimoku indicator. The Ichimoku clouds can help you to have very good and very smooth profits for long-term trades. So I will close this one, or actually no, I will just change. Um, Let me just change the template. Okay, I will keep my trade running because I don't want to close it. Let me move to another one, another asset. Um, Let me talk about two things in this video. Let me talk about more in depth support and resistance, and second thing is I will talk about how to decide where to enter your scalping trade. So the first thing is, let me talk about support and resistance more in depth. Support and resistance, guys, they are never temporary levels. Never temporary. If you have a support or resistance here, you have to be sure it will be a support and resistance forever. For example, this support here has also become support here, and another support here, and another support here, and this support has been broken out and now became the new resistance. Let me do something more interesting. I will fly back in time. Let me travel back 24 years back. I will switch back to the I will switch to the monthly chart. Before that, let me select my support line, which is like this one here. Now, this particular line, which I have drawn here, let me switch back to the monthly chart. Now, on monthly chart, let me zoom out, and wow, look at that, guys. This is amazing. Um, Look at this resistance we're having now in our days. It was also a support back in February 2012. It was also a support back in almost 2000, between almost January 2009. It was a support. Then, before that, on 1997, it was a resistance level, and it was also a support level back in October 1994 when I was only 8 years old. How cool is that, guys? This is amazing. So even no matter how many decades going through, these levels, they never change. Imagine that. Even some of you, before you guys even born, this level was a support, and again it was a support after about 16 years. Then again, after 24 years, this particular support has now become the resistance. Now, why am I explaining this to you? I'm explaining this to you so you can decide now how to enter your scalping strategy. Really? Does it help? Yes, it helps a lot. Let me explain to you something else. What is the thing that divides support from resistance? It is something called breakout candle. Let me tell you, what is breakout candle? A breakout candle is a candle that has just broke the support or the resistance. Now for sure the professional and the midterm traders, for sure, they know exactly what I'm talking about. You can skip this part, but for the beginners, let me explain to you something. If you have a support level here, always be sure it will be breaking out with a long candle. If it was if it was a support, it will be breaking out by long red candle or long bearish candle. If you have a resistance, it will be breaking out by a long blue candle, green candle, or by what we call a strong bullish candle. It will always be long candle like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this, and this. Always the breakout candle is identified as a long candle. Sorry. So always after the breakout candle, usually the trend will keep going in the same direction of the breakout. Now, talking about this, how is this important to me? Let me explain to you guys, this is the very important part. Let me mark first this level here. For example, let me pick any this level here. Okay. So remember I'm on the 4-hour chart, okay? Remember guys, we have here a support and it was also a support. So we have this level here acting as a support. Very cool. Now, I wanted to see what happened when this support was breaking out by this breakout candle. Okay, what happened? After the breakout from the same of this support, we see the candles went up and again went down. Look where they reversed. They reversed exactly on the same support level in the past. They never changed. They reversed here exactly, and you can see the candles reversed and they hit the previous next the nearest support in the past, and they reversed here. So if I was scalping, this will be my trade. I will place buy here and I will exit here, aiming about 22 pips, which is very good for scalping trade. The idea is, guys, let me explain to you this thing. The idea is, I'm trying to tell you, is how to decide where you should enter your trade. If you see, for example, a support hitting this line here, then you see the breakout. So this support has been breaking out. You have to wait until another breakout occurs. So now you have another bullish breakout candle. Now what should you do? You have to wait until the same level being approached. Okay, we have to wait until the same level being touched after the breakout candle, and then place your buy order here. Here I'm going to place my buy order. Okay, so you have to select this level, which was exactly the support in the past. Let me go through some examples in the past. So let me see. We have here a strong resistance level. Okay, let me go in the time. Sorry, let me go zoom in to the 5-minute chart. Let me show you example how we were supposed to enter our trade. Let me see, hold on. We have here exactly. Hold on, guys. I need to find a very good example for you. so this will be more clear. Yeah, exactly, this is the one I'm on it. Perfect. So let's see. Now, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, I am on a resistance level, so I have to focus on only selling options, selling orders. So going back to the 5-minute chart, look at this level here. I have drawn here my resistance line exactly at this resistance here. So we had this breakout, and you can see the candles break out from this level, and then went all the way back because they cannot simply ignore this level. This is a very strong resistance level on the 4-hour chart, therefore on 5-minute chart it will be strong. Now, not yet. You cannot enter here. You have to wait for the candles to go a little bit more up. Now, after the breakout, the bearish breakout, you want to place your sell order at exactly the same level of the previous resistance. This is very simple and very easy if you just think about it. It's not hard at all. You can see it happening almost all of the time. Let me not even look at the 4-hour chart. I will just apply it based on the 5-minute chart. Look at this, guys. We have here this resistance, this support level here. Okay. Now this support has been broken out 2 times. Now we can see here the long bullish candle, which is a blue candle. So after the breakout, we can see the continuation. Now the same level has been a support again, exactly. So this support level here, after the breakout candle, has become another support at exactly the same level. So if I want to set my take profit, as we said, it will be at the next nearest resistance. So if I enter here, where is the next nearest resistance? It's here. The next nearest resistance is here. Therefore, I will place my buy order here, and I will set my take profit exactly at this level here. This is my take profit, and here is my buy option. Very simple, guys. If you think about it, it's very, very simple. Remember, if you are looking for selling order, you want to look for the red breakout candles. If you are looking for buy option, you want to focus on the blue or bullish breakout candles. Let me see another example. Look at this. We have here a breakout candle. Now look at the left. Do we see any resistance on the left? Absolutely yes. Here we see here a resistance passing this breakout candle. You can see it. It's passing this breakout candle. Therefore, since I have a resistance here, it will also become another resistance here. Cool. Very cool. So I will set my sell order. My sell order will be here. Here I will sell. Where is my take profit will be? It will be here at the next nearest support. So here will be my take profit. It's very simple, yet very easy, and very, very unbelievably how profitable is this strategy, yet it's very simple if you just practice how to define the breakout candles. Let me show you example. We have here now a breakout candle, a bullish breakout candle. Cool. Let me look at the left and see where is the support level here. And I can see here there is a support. You need to look for a support level that actually passing the candle. It has to be passing the candle at any point, no problem. It just has to be passing it. So where is the support that passing it? We have this level here, and we have this level here. I'm sure there will be another good sell order at this point here. When the candle touch this level, I'm sure we're gonna have a good buy option here, my take profit will be at the next nearest resistance. The only problem, guys, is on the 4-hour chart, I am on a resistance. Therefore, you don't want to look for any buy options. I'm just giving you the basics of how this thing works. How does it work? It just works as simple as that, guys. You have to look for the 4-hour chart, find your direction, and go along with it. Now, again, looking on the 4-hour chart, what I see is, after some thinking now, after I'm looking at it, I see here a breakout candle, and this candle here is going down, touching this support level here. This could be actually a very good buy order here. After seeing this trend actually going up, I think there is nothing wrong in placing buy order at this support line here. And again, I'm very sure of this because I see the long breakout candle. If you switch to the 5-minute chart, you can see that also. Trust me, guys, once you master this, it will be a really fun game for scalping. You know what? Let me try to find one trade which I can take front of you guys. Here, nothing. Okay, let me see here if I can see any support on the left. I cannot see any support on the left. Switch here, no. Nope. Euro GBY. Yes. Yes. This is the one I'm on it now. I am on Euro GBY, and I think I will close my trade now because I think it's about to bounce back here. So guys, look at this. I have here, check it out. I have here a long bullish breakout candle. I have to enter this trade immediately. Okay, good. I entered it. I secured it. Now let me explain to you the reason I entered it. Look at this candle, guys. This long blue candle is actually breaking out this resistance. Now, looking at the left, where is the nearest or where is the support at the same level? It is this one here. Here we have another support. So therefore, this level here, you can see how the candle touched this line here. It just touched it and then bounced back. It reversed at the touch of this line here. Why exactly this line here? Because here you have this support after it was followed with this long bullish breakout candle. So now my trade has been changed from sell option to buy option, just being like the saw. You can't take every single part of the trade. If it is going down, I will take all the pips. If it's going up, I will take all the pips. I will not miss anything. That is the beautiful part of scalping the market. So now I have entered this trade. I will set my take profit here at the resistance, giving me about 8 pips, and I will pause the video now. Let's see how it will go. So as you can see, guys, after pausing for about 10 minutes, the candle is approaching my take profit, and I think since the market is not really that stable, I think I will close the trade. Yes, I will close the trade with profit. So I hope by this I have explained to you very well how you should pick your trade and how you should pick your entry. Now let me just explain quickly how to stop your trade. If you notice, we didn't set any stop loss. There is good reason for that. When should you exit your trade? Very good question. You should exit your trade if you see here this support level, and instead of seeing this blue candle, we will see long breakout bearish candle or red one. If you see this long breakout candle as red color, is it's like a bearish breakout candle, at that time you have to exit your trade. That is the reason I don't set a stop loss, because you can never know when is this breakout candle gonna appear. Again, if you see it, just exit your trade, close it, don't worry, you can recover in another trade. So I hope by this I have explained to you how to enter your trade. You can see the candle is still going up, and that is a very good sign, but always be safe, don't risk, don't be greedy, just know exactly when to exit your trade and you will be fine. I hope you have enjoyed watching, guys, and I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.